Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today, we're diving into the realm of generating passive income. This is the first installment of our series, so be sure to catch the upcoming second part for more valuable insights. Affiliate marketing. Unleashing the power of affiliate marketing for passive income. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a dynamic and lucrative avenue for individuals and businesses seeking to generate passive income. In this digital era, where connectivity and online presence are paramount, affiliate marketing serves as a symbiotic relationship between content creators and product service providers. Understanding affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based model that rewards individuals, known as affiliates, for driving traffic or sales to a merchant's website through their marketing efforts. Affiliates earn a commission for each successful referral or sale made through their unique affiliate links. This arrangement allows affiliates to leverage their online influence, be it through blogs, social media, or other platforms, to promote products and services relevant to their audience. Key players in affiliate marketing: merchants. These are businesses or individuals that offer products or services and seek to expand their reach through affiliate marketing. Affiliates. Individuals who join affiliate programs to promote the merchant's products. Affiliates can be bloggers, influencers, content creators, or anyone with an online presence. Customers. The end users who click on affiliate links and make a purchase. The entire affiliate marketing ecosystem revolves around delivering value to the customer. Strategies for success. Niche selection. Affiliates should choose a niche that aligns with their interests and expertise. This ensures authenticity in content creation and facilitates better connection with the target audience. Content quality. High-quality content is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Whether through blog posts, videos, or social media updates, compelling content establishes trust and engages the audience. SEO optimization. To enhance visibility and organic traffic, affiliates must optimize their content for search engines. This involves strategic use of keywords, meta tags, and other SEO techniques. Diversification of platforms. Successful affiliates diversify their presence across multiple platforms, such as blogs, YouTube, and social media. This mitigates risks associated with changes in algorithms or policies on a single platform. Email marketing. Building and nurturing an email list allows affiliates to maintain direct communication with their audience, promoting products, and creating a more personalized connection. Transparency and trust. Ethical practices, such as transparent disclosure of affiliate relationships, are crucial. Building trust with the audience is paramount for long-term success in affiliate marketing. The evolving landscape. As the digital landscape evolves, affiliate marketing continues to adapt to new trends and technologies. Influencer marketing, for instance, has become a prominent subset of affiliate marketing, where influencers leverage their social media presence to promote products and earn commissions. Moreover, advancements in tracking technologies, analytics, and artificial intelligence have empowered affiliates with data-driven insights, enabling them to refine their strategies and optimize performance continually. Affiliate marketing stands as a testament to the transformative power of the internet in reshaping traditional business models. As individuals seek financial independence and businesses explore cost-effective marketing avenues, affiliate marketing provides a mutually beneficial solution. By understanding the principles, embracing ethical practices, and adapting to industry changes, affiliates can unlock the full potential of this dynamic and evolving field, turning their online presence into a source of sustainable passive income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.